Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can use Pipedrive for sales pipeline management. This is useful to track leads, deals, and progress visually for better sales performance. So the first thing that you will have to do once you've logged into your Pipedrive is go to your deals section, and once you're here, you will just have to select your pipeline view and once you've changed that, you will just have to click add deal, which is right here. And of course, you will enter the deal name, value, stage, and owner if it's available for you, of course. So once you've already filled out all these details, you will basically just click save, which is right here. So yeah, just go ahead and click that. So what you will have to do next is you will move deals across stages. So you can drag and drop deals to different stages. So it visualizes progress and priorities. So yeah, basically you can do it like this. So yeah, it really depends on you on what category you want them to fall into. So yeah, that's basically just it. And you could also use filters, um, and then you could also use insights and reports to check pipeline health and make data driven decisions. So yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.